Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over page 23, graphing slope-intercept form. Go ahead and add page 23 to your table of contents and I'll give you the page to tape down. Alright, so we're going to go over the first example for page 23. So whenever we're graphing linear equations, we have the equation that we saw on page 22 notes, y equals mx plus b, where b is my y-intercept, and m is my slope, which is rise over run. So we're going to graph this first equation, negative 3x minus 2. So the negative 2 is where we start. We start with our y-intercept, so I'm going to put a point at negative 2. And then I need to identify my slope, which is negative 3. And then since it's not a fraction, we need to always put it over 1. So we're going to rise 3 and run 1. So since the 3 is negative, we're going to go down 3 from this point. So 1, 2, 3, and then we need to go to the right 1. So we go 1, 2, 3 over to the right 1. And then we're going to draw our line. Our line should have a negative slope looking like that. So now we're going to look at two more examples. So the first example, let's go over the equation y equals 3/4 x plus 2. So we start with our y-intercept at 2. Go over here, put my y-intercept, and this is rise 3 over run 4. So we're going to go up 3 and to the right 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, put your point. Once I have 2 points, I can draw my line. Has a positive slope. And the last example, y equals negative x minus 3. So my y-intercept, my b value is negative 3. So I'm going to start here at negative 3. And then my m is negative 1 over 1. Technically, there's a 1 in front of that x, and it's negative. So that means I'm going to rise 1 and run 1. So I'm going to go down since it's negative, and to the right, down 1, right 1. Draw your line. It has a negative slope because it's going down. So go ahead and pause the video, rewind it if you need to understand how to graph each one of those lines a little bit better.